Have you ever had smoked salt? It's absolutely delicious. Goes well with eggs, steak, even ice cream. I'm going to show you how to make it. I use 2 pieces of paper to make sure the salt stays clean from the grate. Spread the salt out in as thin a layer as possible. You can pick the salt that you prefer. Some people use coarse salt, rock salt, table salt. I probably wouldn't do this with iodized salt. To smoke the salt, I'm not going to use any real heat source. I'm not going to burn a bunch of wood. I'm using pellets, and I'm using them in a pellet tube smoker. You can get one of these possibly at your local hardware store, but you can get it on Amazon or something like that if not. This one is about the length of your forearm, and I've got 2 of them, and it will burn for about 5 hours. So load these up, pick your wood, and load them up and get them lit. Let it smoke for a while. I know these tubes smoke for about 5 hours, so at about 2 hours in, I will stir the salt. I'll move it around, see how it's looking, and then I'll close it back up. You can store this salt in a dark place, and I put it in glass jars. You can put it in a Ziploc bag. It will darken a little bit over time. No problem. It's good.